Hey everybody, this is Jorik. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well and having a great day wherever you are in the world. Today is a subscriber request. A question came in, and the question was, could you describe or talk through the Multibanco system in Portugal, maybe some of the benefits, what you can do when you use the ATM, is there an app available, and just go through when you're using this system, what are the advantages? So I want to talk about that. I want to make sure that I'm clear from the top that I'm not speaking about Euronet or other ATMs. Those are where you pay extreme exchange fees and bank fees. That's not that. This is strictly Multibanco. It has the Multibanco sign on it and on the ATM. And there's a variety of things that you can do. One of the things that I love most about using Multibanco is it does have an app, the MB Way. So all the things I'm describing here that you can do at the ATM, you can also do through the app at the comfort of your home. So whichever is more comfortable for you, I'd recommend you do. The best thing I like about Multibanco is that because it coordinates so many banks, and I want to say there's probably 70 or 80 banks in Portugal, if you're using Multibanco, we have Millennium, we can withdraw money and not pay any fees. So this morning, I went to a bank interlocation, and next to it is a Multibanco ATM, and I was able to withdraw the money, no fees. Now at Millennium, which is just down the street at my home bank, those ATMs are also Multibanco. So the awesome thing is, unlike I'll say the country I came from, the US, if you go to a rival bank, you're paying maybe several dollars just for the sake of taking out your own money. Here, the Multibanco system is fantastic in that respect, so no fees. Things like transferring money to people. You can transfer money, and either they can get it on the app and funnel it into their bank account, or they can go to an ATM and withdraw the money, so you can send it to them. They can go to ATM and withdraw. How cool is that? There are a number of things. Paying your bills, your utilities. If you're looking to do that, you can use the Multibanco ATM or the MB Way app to be able to pay that. Obviously, withdrawing funds, if you have checks or you're looking to, I don't know many people that still use checks, but if you're using them, you can order them through that. You can also order entertainment or concert tickets, and I want to be careful. Not everything is available on the site or all of the different venues, but we have purchased some tickets to some events, to the theater, symphony, and then one concert over the almost 4 years that we've been here. So it's very convenient to be able to do that. Obviously, transferring money from one bank to another, you can do that through the ATM or you can do that on the app. Pay your taxes. You can pay taxes through the MB Way. Any other bill that seems to come up, for example, medical bills. Went to see the doctor for some tests and a visit, and with that, I got the statements when I was in the waiting room saying, okay, here's how much the charge is going to be, and you can either pay at the hospital or you can just do it at an ATM or through MB Way, their app. So it's super convenient. So that's something that you have more options and flexibility being able to use the ATM or the app here in Portugal. And I would say that that is certainly an advantage. I don't know how it relates to other countries other than the US, but I will say, just speaking from coming from the US, the ATMs here seem to be able to do more, and obviously the fees, you don't have to pay the fees for using a Multibanco. So again, I want to reiterate, this is not Euronet. It has to have the Multibanco sign on it. But if you're going to do that, how fantastic. And it's an easy way to be able to utilize ATMs or the app, which you may not be able to do in your home country. So I hope this helps with the subscriber question. I hope this gives a full answer to what you're able to do with it. It's a fantastic tool here in Portugal. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch the videos, and enjoy your travels.